Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is from KOHL.com. My wife purchased some of the stuff online. I mean, in the store, and they did not offer the whatever the 20% or the 30% discount. And during that time, she didn't get the cold cash as well. So she ended up got smart and then returned all the item back to Kohl's and either buy some back to get the cold cash. So anyway, if you spend $50 or more at Kohl's and then you get a $10 cash back from Kohl's. So I'm not sure what she bought this time. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed for you guys to check it out. So if there's an invoice, I need to take it out real quick. So this is all the stuff that's in this package. And those are the unit price. I guess it's 50% off. I remember she told me that. Let's go ahead and dump it all out and see, I guess. A whole bunch of stuff in here. So you got two of this. Like what is that? Hand towel. And then this is the original price, $15.99. From the apartment 9, this is 100% cotton. So this is a nice hand towel with this pattern. So I got two of those. Each of this is only what is it? $5.99 each unit. So you cannot beat that. I mean, $15.99 down to $5.99. And I guess it's the same towel with the different colors. See, $15.99. And the inner side that look like this. So let's see. This is a pretty good price. And then you've got two of this. Celebrate Valentine's Day together. Table runner, 36 inches. Wow. She's getting ready for Valentine's already. She's jumping ahead. Oh my goodness. You see the price? So guys, don't ever pay retail price. You only buy when it's on sale, clearance, or 70 to 80% off. Wow, look at that. So she paid $12.49 each. So buy one, get one free, I guess. So that's that. So this is with a heart shape. That's gonna look like this. So this year we're gonna have a nice Valentine's. And then you got this celebrate Valentine's Day together. This is the place mat with this nice heart shape. This is embroidery. Original price is $8.99 each. She got this $4.49. So she got a pair of this, and that is the dimension 14 by, what is that, 18? So anyway, this is my unboxing for all these items that she got from KOHL. Plus, if you spend $50, you get the $10 KOHL cash back. So please be sure to like this video and then give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and turn on the bell for notification. Be sure to sub. We're gonna hit 10,000 subscribers soon. Hopefully we're doing some giveaway, and be sure to watch out for that video whenever it hit that mark. All right. Anyway, drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. Please share this with your friend, family on social media. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.